we were singing it, we'd always practice it, and I was like, you know what? It could be a good funeral song. Pretty dark, but I think it's a good one for whenever we pass.
Well, but it's Ty's song. But anyway, this is a song by James Taylor, actually. It's a really beautiful song, and thank you, Ty, for doing this for us. And actually, Ty's the one that showed me the song, so yay, Ty. All right, you guys got it?
Walk down that lonesome road all by yourself. Don't turn your head back over your shoulder, and only stop to rest yourself when the silver moon is shining high above the trees. If I had stopped to listen once or twice, if I had closed my mouth and opened my eyes, if I had cooled my head and warmed my heart, I'd not be on this road tonight.
Carry on.
Carry on, carry on. Never mind, never feel sorry for yourself. It doesn't save you from your troubled mind. Walk down that lonesome road all by yourself. Don't turn your head back over your shoulder, and only stop to rest yourself when the silver moon is shining high above the trees.
All right, we're going to do a couple of Beatles songs for you now. You guys are